Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well. So today I'm starting off the video with me dyeing my hair because I've washed it a few times since I've had it done. The colour is really lovely, but it just needs a little bit of a revamp. So I'm gonna dye my hair. I'm gonna use the Wella Professionals Colour Fresh mask in Copper Glow. I have not dyed my own hair since I was like 17, 18. I definitely need to refresh it. Like, the colour is still really nice and everything, but it just needs a little bit of a refresh before I head out to LA on Sunday. I would do it today since I have a little bit of time. I'm waiting on a bunch of deliveries as well, so I can't really go and do what I needed to do until my deliveries come, and that won't be for another few hours. So thought I would attempt to dye my hair with you guys and film the process because I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it goes well. I hope my hair like isn't gonna be too orange or too bright. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous. Can you tell? The product that I actually bought, I bought it off Amazon and it's not in English. It is in Danish, in French, and Italian. So I'm trying to figure this out. I'm about to do like a quick Google to see how I properly would use this, but yeah, I'm kind of excited and nervous. I also got my nails done yesterday in this really beautiful green. I was a little bit scared to go for green because of the hair. I didn't want to be like walking Christmas, but I've gone for like poison ivy vibes, so I think we're okay. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling, go and get the gloves and dye my hair. Postman just arrived, so I thought I would open packages with you guys whilst my hair is cooking. So first up we have a little package from Iconic London. What have we got? Ooh, brow products. That's fun. We got a triple precision brow definer. I think we got two of those in shade black brown and chocolate brown. And then we have a liquid brow silk maximum hold in clear. And then, oh, another of the brow definer in chestnut brown. And then we have another package. I don't know who it's from. Oh, it's Victoria Beckham Beauty. I always love like mailers like this. Dexter, it's not for you, my love. You're very excited today, aren't you? Oh, this is so pretty. Look. Okay, so a birthday gift for you to celebrate Victoria's birthday and our new Starlight Lid Luster. Ooh, it looks like this. That's so pretty. This is macaroons. Yes, macaroons from La Derie. Oh, this is so cute. So all of the macaroons are in there. and then they've replaced one with the lid luster. How cute is that? Ooh, how fancy are these? Look, they have like gold foil on them. Oh, really good. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. They won't be here long because when Ollie gets home, I know he'll eat most of them. How beautiful is that? So pretty. I think I'm gonna take this to LA with me as well. Imagine that like in the sunlight and me a little bit more tanned. I think that's gonna look absolutely beautiful. And that is my delivery so far. That is not what I am waiting for. That arrives in like 2 hours, I think, what I'm actually waiting for. So yeah, I have like a bunch of time to kill, and I really should start packing for LA, but I don't know, I hate packing now. I think I mentioned that in a previous packing video that I did. I think it is for LA as well, actually. I'm just not the biggest fan of packing anymore, ever since like not having to travel for ages. It just doesn't tickle my pickle anymore. So here is the hair. It's definitely like giving it a little refresh. The front bit is a little bit brighter. Let me quickly just put my hair down actually and show you guys properly. But yeah, I think it's done a really good job. I think like when the sun hits it, it's gonna be so much better. But it just feels like I've just come out the salon again. It's given it a little bit of a boost, and yeah, I'm very impressed with the mask. I think I left it on for a total of 15 to 20 minutes, and yeah, I am very happy with it. Like it's so nice. And on another note, my delivery still hasn't come. So yeah, I'm still waiting for that, but in the meantime getting ready so I can go and grab the bus when it does arrive. And I will show you guys when it does arrive because it's one of my favorite things to receive. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when it comes. It's here! Oh yeah, hold on. In this light you can see that it's a lot more red. There you go, it's probably better lighting. I always get so excited whenever I get a press delivery. I'm obsessed with juices. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So let's do a little pressed juice haul. Okay, so first up we have some oatmeal. So we have the sweet citrus, which is one of my favorites actually. We have the daily celery, which is also really yummy. Daily sweet greens, the berry boost, which is so good. I actually last time made like a little cocktail with the juices, which is actually really fun, and they tasted amazing. The golden glow smoothie, the triple berry smoothie, the strawberry milkshake with cashew milk, which is amazing. And then lastly we have the banana milkshake. Yeah, these will probably be our breakfast for the next few days because obviously going to LA in a few days, and yeah, I didn't really want to do like a big food shop or anything. So I'm just gonna go to the supermarket later and just grab some bits for dinner for tonight and tomorrow. These smoothies I love having as breakfast. And then the little shots, we have the vitamin D shot, the vitamin C, and the ginger shot, which is my favorite. I also have a little code for you guys as well. If you guys want to try a press, or if you just want to order some really lovely juices, you can use this code here for 20% off. But yeah, now the juices are here. This is the delivery that I have been waiting all day for. I can finally get ready and go to the Post Office and supermarket. So I don't think I'm going to take you guys with me because it stresses me out a little bit when I have to film when I do errands. But I will see you guys in a little bit when I'm home. Hello. It is Saturday and I have begun the process of packing, finally. Yeah, I just did not want to pack at all and I've left it super last minute because we're flying tomorrow morning. I think I know why I don't like packing like on the recent trips lately. It's because you still have to do like a PCR or an antigen test to go into the US, and that gives me so much anxiety that, like, because you have to do it within like 1 day before you fly. So I think that's why I don't like packing, just because like there's also a chance that I still can't go. But I went and did my test this morning, it came back negative. Like, it wasn't going to be positive anyways, but yeah, it kind of just like gave me some breathing room, and I just got home and I just decided to start packing because trips a go. I think that is the root of the reason why I haven't done well with packing lately. Like, I still need to unpack the bag that I took to London with me, so I've got to do that really quickly, and then yeah, pack everything. My room's a massive tip right now because that's what happens when you get all of your crap out. And I'm trying to be smart. I'm trying to put outfits together so I don't bring too much stuff and, you know, like unnecessary stuff, because there's a bag limit, so I don't want to pay any extra at the airport. But yeah, let's get packing. God, I finally did it. I finally packed everything. I am so tired. That, like, I think I started at like 2:30, 2:45, and it's 5:30 now. Like, my anxiety just kept coming and I was like literally worried about everything, like especially the weight of my luggage, if I had enough outfits, because we're gonna do like going out and like dinners, and I have like a few events and stuff. Oh my god, it just like, yeah, it just makes me so anxious whenever I travel now. I was never ever like this. I think I'm gonna have some of my CBD chocolate and just chill out for the rest of the evening, because I kind of just like gave up in the end. Like, I've pretty much, like, I think 90% packed. I just gotta like print out all the documents and do like a double check and all that stuff. Now I have to go and paint my toenails. I think I want to do black. I'm not really sure. I might go out and get a pedicure when I'm in LA, because my feet really desperately needs a pedicure. But they're not painted at the moment, so I need to do that. And then I'm just gonna edit this vlog and yeah, just have a chilled night, because my anxiety today is just not great. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.